Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Aman. He was quiet, poor, and always sat on the last bench in school. His shoes were torn, his uniform faded, and he carried a small bag with only one broken pencil. Every day, Aman would enter the classroom, look at the front row, and notice one empty chair. The front rows were always filled by the top students, confident, rich, and praised by everyone. That chair, however, always remained empty. No one dared to sit there. One day the teacher asked, "Why does no one sit on that chair?" A boy replied, "Sir, that chair is only for toppers." Everyone laughed. Aman smiled softly, but inside his heart, something changed. From that day on, he made a promise to himself. One day, I will sit on that chair. Aman's life was not easy. He had no electricity at home. He worked at a tea stall every evening to support his family. But no matter how tired he was, he studied every night, under a streetlight, using thrown-away books. Other children teased him. "You, sit on the topper's chair, keep dreaming." But Aman never replied. He believed in silence. He believed in work. After months of hard work, exams were over. The result day arrived. Students were loud and excited, but when the teacher entered, the room fell silent. He held the mark sheets and said, "This year's topper is Aman." No one spoke. Eyes widened, mouths opened. Aman stood up slowly, walked to the front, placed his bag on that empty chair and sat, not with pride, but with tears in his eyes. The teacher smiled and said, "That chair was never for the toppers. It was for the one who never gave up. You may be poor, you may be unnoticed, but if you work in silence and believe in yourself, no chair is too high, no dream is too far. Success doesn't come to the loud. It comes to the consistent. Keep walking, your time will come." Stay with us for more motivation stories. If this story inspired you, please like, comment, and subscribe for such as more motivational stories. Thank you.